In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini's build feature, often referred to as a secret function. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or someone just diving into the digital world, Google Gemini offers an incredibly efficient way to create stunning websites with just a few clicks. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, simply type Google Gemini into the search bar. A list of search results will appear, providing a series of options related to Google Gemini. You'll want to click on the official Google Gemini website, which should be one of the top results. This link will take you directly to the platform's landing page, where you can explore a variety of unique and innovative features. Once you're on Google Gemini's site, locate and click on the Build feature. This is a powerful tool designed to simplify the website creation process. After clicking Build, you'll notice several project options you can select from, depending on your needs. Today, we'll focus on an exciting example: creating a website specifically for a photography portfolio. Find and click on the Make a website for my photography portfolio option to begin your project. Now comes the exciting part. Sit back and wait for Google Gemini to work its magic. The platform will automatically generate a professional-looking website designed to showcase your photography in the best possible light. During this process, take a moment to envision the kind of portfolio you desire. Whether it's a clean, minimalist design or one that's vibrant and full of flair, Google Gemini is versatile enough to accommodate your style. While waiting, it's worth mentioning that the output generated by Google Gemini is highly customizable. Once the initial build is complete, you can further personalize your website to align with your creative vision. Take advantage of the platform's intuitive drag-and-drop editor to adjust layouts, add new sections, or integrate additional features. And there you have it. Using Google Gemini's build feature is an effortless way to create a visually stunning photography portfolio website. With minimal effort and time, you'll soon have a fully functional site ready to impress your audience. Remember, once your website is generated, explore the customization options to truly make it your own. Thanks for tuning in, and happy building!